In this video, we will talk about how to fix Discord not opening on startup. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Enable Discord to start with Windows. Double-click and open Discord application. Click the gear icon at the bottom left to open user settings. Scroll down left sidebar. Open Windows settings. Turn on Open Discord to launch it on startup. Method 2. Enable Discord in Task Manager. Right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. On the left sidebar, click the Startup tab. Find Discord in the list. If it shows disabled, right-click it and select Enable. Method 3. Add Discord to startup manually. Right-click Windows icon. Select Run, type shell, startup and press Enter. In the folder, right-click and choose New, select Shortcut. Here, we need to paste the location of Discord app. For that, right-click on Discord. Select Open File Location. Copy the location and close the window. Paste the location in here. Click Next and leave the default shortcut name to Discord and click Finish. Restart your PC. Method 4. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click on the Discord. Select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. So that's how you can fix Discord not opening on startup. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods to fix the issue, linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.